In this video, we're going to show you how to install the brake light switch on your Honda Ridgeline located underneath the driver's side of the dash. Now if you follow the brake arm up from the brake pedal, you're going to notice this is the brake light switch right here. So if you press on it, it actually releases the button on the brake light switch, and that's what turns it on. When the arm comes back up, it actually pushes the button in and shuts off the brakes. Let's disconnect the connector here. You can simply press in on this little tab and pull that connector off. Now the switch itself goes into a little retaining ring here. It actually has like little teeth on it that lock it into place. Once you have the connector disconnected, you're going to grab this whole unit and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. And that releases the unit. And we have the retainer tab here. Now if your retainer tab is still in good condition, you can use that if you want. If that is the part that is damaged, you can use your pocket screwdriver and push in. There's little tabs here. I'm going to show you that once I pop it out. So there's a little spring tab right here and one on the other side. So you're just going to push those in with the screwdriver and that'll pop right out. And you can see on the metal bracket, this is keyed. So it's not just a round hole, there's two notches. And that is where those other two pieces actually line up and push right in. Take your new locking collar here, line that up and push that in. You're going to hear it and feel it positively engage, snapping into place. Now the switch itself is adjustable. So what we're going to do is going to gently push this in. And with the pedal completely released in the upward position, I want to go ahead and line this up. I'm going to push it in just till that button engages. And then we're going to turn that clockwise and that will lock into place. So when you press the pedal down, that sets your brake pedal light or the brake light to come on. Once that's bottomed out, go ahead and grab your connector. I'm going to line this up. There might be a slight adjustment as far as which way that goes on. Line that up, push it on. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and have somebody get behind the vehicle and test the operation of the brake lights. If it needs to be adjusted, you can go ahead and turn this counterclockwise again, push it in a little bit further, and then go ahead and turn it clockwise to relock that. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.